Every good food must start with meat, and that is what he told us, the wise man from the forest of Amanze. And that was not all he said. But we were busy turning things here and there that we never figured out whether he was a human being or he was indeed a spirit. So what else did he say? Cover it, uncover it. Water must be added to meat, and more water. And when we inquired the reason for that, he laughed. Because wise people don't talk too much, they only laugh. So we added stockfish and the other fish, roasted fish, without consulting the wise man. So he remained silent and spoke to no one. Maybe we have offended the wise man, or maybe there is wisdom in silence. Oil is missing. The wise man screamed. So we added oil. Cover it, uncover it. Crayfish, shouted the wise man. At this point, we were already familiar with his methods. So we brought in the white guys, without waiting for his noisy screams. Cover it, uncover it. We added the black guy, but the wise man turned his back on us. What did we do wrong? Maybe because we added things without consulting him. Or maybe he's not wise after all. What kind of a wise man stops talking up and down? We will go to another forest and find another wise man. He laughed, but this time the forest shook, and it began to rain. But our soup continued to boil. Then he turned, facing us directly. He screamed, "Cover it." So the soup remained covered for a while, but we uncovered it. We will not let the soup get burnt because of a wise man from the forest of Amanze. Wise men don't even live in forest. He should use his wisdom and build a house. But we only spoke within ourselves. But the wise man heard us, and that was when he left. He didn't live like a human being. He left, just like that. He was nowhere to be found. And we were left alone. But we were not alone. Then the forest spoke, but we don't understand forest language. "You are banished from this forest for 2,000 years. We heard that from the leaves. And our soup was covered. It has been 54 years, and no one could uncover it.